Happy VA Wednesday. Today we're going to be talking about if you want to use your VA loan with your boyfriend or girlfriend, is that the best loan option? Okay. Now, generally, if you've seen my videos, VA wins a lot, like VA versus FHA. It's not even, it's not even a competition. But when we start getting into girlfriends and boyfriends with VA, it is a little bit, I don't want to use the word old-fashioned. It's just not quite as accepting, okay? Maybe we'll say that. So first of all, can you use a VA loan with someone you're not married to? Yes, you can, okay? That's the first thing. Now, what if the person you're buying with is also a veteran? Then could you do a VA loan? Yeah, if you're buying with another veteran and you guys have enough eligibility, you can do 0% down with VA. No problem. You don't have to be married. Two veterans buying together, easy peasy. Okay, well, your girlfriend or boyfriend is not a veteran. So what is that gonna look like? Okay, so if you have full eligibility with VA and they are on the loan, we're using their income, we're using their credit, we're using their assets, they've got to put down 12.5%. Now, you could help with that, of course, but because the VA is only going to guarantee your side, it's going to be 12.5%. Now, could it be a little bit more than that? Yeah, there's like this whole calculation about how it gets done. If you don't have full eligibility, it could be more. There are variables to that. So I would probably say from a budgeting perspective, think about 12.5% to about 15%. That's like the highest I've ever seen. And that would be if you don't have all your eligibility. So the key thing is that if your girlfriend or boyfriend is not a veteran, you are going to have a fairly sizable down payment required. Okay, so in that case, what would I look at? Well, if you guys have the money, VA is going to be the best option because it's going to have the lowest rate. We waive our lender fee on VA loans. And also, it has no mortgage insurance, no monthly mortgage insurance, okay? Also, if your credit's not perfect, it's not as hardcore with the rate. Now, if you guys are like, yeah, we don't have that. Okay, so if you guys are first-time home buyers, then the first thing I'd be looking at is 3% conventional. And if that wasn't a good fit, we'd be looking at 3.5% down FHA. Both of those programs are gonna have monthly mortgage insurance. But, sometimes people are like, well, should we just get married? Guys, don't marry someone just to get a loan. I can't stress it enough. Now, if you're already engaged, if, we're talking about a couple days difference in the wedding, okay. But if you just started dating, do not marry them to get a loan. So look, the key is this. VA is an amazing loan, but in order to do that beautiful 0% down, 0%, you guys have to make sure that if you're buying with someone who's not your spouse, that they're also a veteran, okay? FHA conventional can be great options. I actually have a couple videos on them. So here's the thing. If you guys are in this situation, feel free to reach out. We will walk you through it. We'll show you your different options. If your credit's really high, I'm going to be going conventional all day. I'm just going to tell you that right now. If VA is not an option, if you don't have the down payment. Okay, so don't be dismayed. A lot of times I'm talking about VA so much where people are like, well, it's the only loan. It's not. There are other loans for different situations. So please don't get married just because you want to do 0 down VA. If you have enough for 3% down and you want to buy with your boyfriend or girlfriend, let's look at conventional. And if you have lower credit scores and you have 3.5% down, let's look at FHA. But the key is working with a lender that understands that there's other options, how to help you get those options, and also who knows these rules, because there's some people where they don't even know that a girlfriend or a boyfriend has to be a veteran, otherwise there's a down payment. And you do not need that drama in your life. So as always, questions, comments, feel free to reach out. We have a calendar link. It's in every single video I do. Book a time on the calendar. Alyssa or Sandy will talk with you guys. Guys, they talk to, oh my God, if I did the math, thousands of people every year. So they hear all the scenarios. If they don't know the answer, they come to me. If I don't know the answer, I go to an underwriter. So we're here to support you guys to get you home. So questions, comments, please reach out. Thanks for watching.